Morning children. Once again welcome to online classes. Children, I hope you have done all the work in your notebooks. So today you are going to study chapter number 3, that is editing a worksheet. So let's begin with this video.
Selecting a single cell. To select a single cell on the worksheet, click on the cell with the cell pointer. A black border surrounds the selected cell. This is now the active cell. To select a range of cells. To select a range of cells, click the first cell to the range and then, keeping your mouse pressed, drag the mouse pointer to the last cell of the range. The range gets selected. Entering data into a cell. To enter data in the cell, move the cursor to the desired cell and click once. The cell becomes active. You can now enter data. The data you have typed appears in the cell and the same data is also displayed in the formula bar. Editing data. To make changes to the data you have entered into a cell, double-click the cell that contains the data to be edited. This allows you to make changes to the data in the cell. Press the Enter key to click outside the cell to occupy changes made to the cell. Or press Escape to cancel the changes made. Selecting a single column or row. Click on the column or row heading. The entire column or row gets selected. Selecting multiple rows or columns. Select the first row or column of the range by clicking on its heading. Drag the mouse pointer to select the other rows or columns. To select multiple rows or columns which are not in the continuous range, click the first row or column heading of the range to select it. Keeping the Ctrl key pressed, click on the other rows, columns to be selected. They are all highlighted, showing that they too have been selected. Selecting the entire worksheet. To select the entire worksheet, click on the Select All button at the top of left corner of the worksheet or press Ctrl+A. Deleting the contents in a cell. Select the cell whose contents have to be deleted and press the Delete key. Inserting a row or column. Sometimes while working on the worksheet, we need to insert a row or column in between. To insert a row, click on a cell above which you want to enter a new row. Click on Insert menu. Click on Row. A row is inserted above the selected row. To insert a column, click on a cell on the left to which you want to insert a new column. Click on Insert menu. Now click on Column. A column is inserted to the left. Deleting a row or column. To delete a row or column, select the row or column you wish to delete by clicking on the row or column header. Click Edit menu, Delete. Or right-click your mouse and click Delete from the shortcut menu. Resizing row height or column width. Sometimes the data we are entering in a cell may not fit the standard width of the column. This may happen when you are using a large font or writing long names. Or it may be that the column is too wide for the data. So we need to adjust the column width. Resize a single column width. To change the width of a column, on the column header, click the column's right boundary. The mouse pointer will become a cross. Use this cross to drag the boundary on the right side until the column is the width of you want. Resizing multiple columns. To change the width of multiple columns, select multiple columns by dragging the cursor along the column heading. Right-click your mouse button. Click on Column Width. Enter the new width. Or select multiple columns by dragging the cursor along the column heading. Drag the boundary of a single selected column to resize the column. The selected columns will change their width. Resizing a single row. To change the height of the single row, drag the boundary below the row heading until the row is the height you want. Resizing multiple rows. To change the height of multiple rows, select multiple rows by dragging the cursor over the row heading. Right-click your mouse button. Click on Row Height. The Row Height dialog box appears. Change the row height as needed. Or select multiple rows by dragging the cursor over the row heading. Drag the boundary of a single selected row. All the selected rows will change their width.